Iran unveils advanced jet-powered combat drone, JAS 313. Tehran, in a significant leap forward in military aviation, Iran has officially unveiled its latest indigenously developed combat drone, the JAS 313, a jet-powered, stealth-capable unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, designed for surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strike missions. The unveiling took place at a high-profile defense exhibition attended by top military officials and aerospace engineers. According to Iran's Ministry of Defense, the JAS 313 is equipped with advanced onboard systems, stealth capabilities, and autonomous navigation technology, marking a new chapter in Iran's drone warfare capabilities. Jet-powered precision. Unlike many of Iran's previous propeller-based drones, the JAS 313 features jet propulsion, enabling it to reach significantly higher speeds and altitudes. The drone is designed for rapid response, with the ability to strike targets deep within hostile territory while minimizing radar detection. According to defense officials, the drone is capable of carrying a variety of guided munitions, including smart bombs and air-to-surface missiles, and can perform real-time surveillance missions via its advanced sensor suite. Sea and land launch capabilities. A key highlight of the new system is its compatibility with Iran's first-ever drone aircraft carrier, the Shahed Bahman Bagheri. The drone was showcased alongside the naval carrier, which has been retrofitted to launch, recover, and support multiple UAV operations at sea, significantly expanding Iran's ability to project power in the Persian Gulf and beyond. This dual operational capability, land and sea, provides Iran with tactical flexibility in both conventional and asymmetric warfare scenarios. Technological advancements. Military analysts note that the JAS 313 incorporates several features commonly seen in fifth-generation aircraft, including stealth-optimized body design, AI-assisted flight systems, electronic warfare (EW) countermeasures, long-range data link communication. While Iranian officials did not disclose the drone's full technical specifications, experts believe the aircraft boasts a range exceeding 1,000 kilometers, with the ability to loiter over a target area for extended durations. Strategic implications. The development of the JAS 313 is part of Iran's broader strategy to enhance its domestic defense industry amid international sanctions and regional tensions. With regional rivals investing heavily in drone technology, Iran's move signals its intent to maintain strategic parity in an increasingly unmanned battle space. Brigadier General Amir Ali Hajizadeh, head of the IRGC Aerospace Force, stated during the unveiling, "The JAS 313 is not just a drone, it is a message. It reflects Iran's resolve to defend its airspace and respond swiftly and decisively to any threat." Global reactions. While Iranian media have lauded the drone as a game-changer, international observers remain cautious. Some analysts have raised questions about the drone's actual performance in live combat, while others point to the growing trend of drone proliferation in volatile regions. Nonetheless, the JAS 313 has undoubtedly elevated Iran's status as a regional drone power, with growing capability to conduct long-range operations, enforce air denial, and carry out covert surveillance missions with minimal exposure. Conclusion. With the launch of the JAS 313, Iran continues to demonstrate its commitment to developing a self-reliant, modern military force. Whether this drone becomes a true force multiplier on the battlefield remains to be seen, but its symbolic and strategic value is already being felt across the region.